Hello beautiful lovers, welcome back to Desires of Fashion. Hope you have a wonderful day. Today's episode is going to be on how to cut this lovely flared dress with an half cut with coat sleeve. So I'll be making use of this fabric to cut it out. I'm using about 4 yards of this fabric. So the first thing I deducted out here is the half length, and here is it, and I've already folded it into 4 with the zip allowance at the back here. So the next thing is to cut out the 180-degree flare join to the half cut, then cut out the coat sleeve join to the armhole, and that is all. So the first thing I'll be taking out here is going to be the shoulder measurement. Here is my shoulder measurement. The shoulder slant of 1 inch. Here is it. Then the armhole measurement. Like this, the armhole measurement and the length of the half cut that we cut out already. You can see. So the next thing I'm going to take out here is going to be the bust measurement. The bust measurement divided by 4. But before then, let me roll this area out. Then I will now roll it up to the shoulder to give us the armhole. Like this. So the next thing I'm going to do here is to take the bust measurement divided by 4, the seam allowance, the waist measurement divided by 4 as well. Here is it. With a seam allowance too. You can see. Then I will now connect them together from the waist to the bust line. Like this, from the waist to the bust line. So the next thing I'm going to do here is to take the armhole curve. So taking some inches up to 2 inches here, 2 inches here as well. Then connect it this way to get your perfect armhole. You can also make use of your armhole curve ruler to bring out the shape of the armhole. So the next thing here is going to be the neckline. So the first thing I'm going to take here is going to be the wideness of the neck, which I'll be making use of 3.5 inches. Then the deepness of the neck, that's for the back. But before that, let me connect the wideness of the neck to the shoulder slant. You can see. Then the deepness of the neck for the back is going to be around 1.5 inches. Then the deepness on the front neckline is going to be 4 inches. So I'll now connect both to the wideness of the neckline like this. I cannot cut it out. So now we are done with the cuttings. As you can see, the next thing I'm going to determine here is going to be the depth measurement, that the distance of the two busts. So here I'll be making use of 4 inches. By the time I open it to be 8 inches. So here is it. I will notch it with my scissors here. You can see. So we are done with the cutting of the half cut. The next thing here is cut out the flare. That's 180-degree flare that we're going to join to the waist to give us the full length of the dress. So let me do that now and show it to you. Now here is the fabric folded into 4. As you can see, this is folded into 4 like a triangle. This is 180-degree flare. You can see the way I folded it. This is into 4 places. You can see. So the first thing I'm going to take here is going to be the waist measurement. No, it's the waist that we're going to add to the half cut waist to give us the full length that we needed. So the first thing I'm going to determine here is the waist. So your waist also is going to be divided into 4 again here. But where can we determine the waist? Where can we get our exact waist? So I just want to take my table from the center here down to, let me use 14 inches. Let me see maybe I can get my waist, and when it is too much I will go up, but when it's not enough I'll go down a bit. So seeing this, I think this is too much, so I want to go up a bit to 12 inches because I don't want the plate to have any plate at the waist at all. So I want it to be an exact waist measurement with a little zip allowance. So I want to check this now. Maybe it's going to give me the exact waist measurement with the zip allowance, but no, it's giving me a bit excess, which I don't want. So I'll have to go up a bit to this point, just an half inch up. You can see it now. So this is going to give me the exact what I want. So it's from this point that I'm going to take my length. You can see, so this is okay for me. So you must cross check after when you are getting the round shape, cross check maybe the waist measurement will be okay. So it's from this place that I'm going to take my length of the skirt. So I'm taking the half cut up to get the length. You can take the length directly without taking the half cut up by taking it from 1, but here I'm taking the half cut of 16 inches off, then take the length that I needed here. So that's what I'm going to do now. Here is after connecting everything together, then I can now cut it out. So starting from this area, from the waist, then the full length of the skirt, like this. You can see. So I'm done with the cutting here. So we are done with the cutting of 180-degree flay, which we're going to add to our half cut to give us the style. So here is it. So this is the first thing we're going to do, the length. After taking the length of the sleeve, then you can now take the wideness of the cold sleeve, the opening part of the sleeve. So I'm making use of 4, just 4. So it will be the roundness of that part will just be 8. So I'll now take some inches off, 4 inches. I'm taking 4 inches off. The all armhole measurement here is 8, so this is the remaining 4. So from this part I'm going to take the upper roundness of the sleeve, which I will make use of 16 inches. Here is it. We can add a same allowance to it, like this. So I will now go down to the full length. After connecting this, like you can see, it has bring out the shape of the armhole. So I can now slant it down to the full length of the sleeve. But before that, let me take the roundness of the sleeve. That's the mouth of the sleeve, the down edge of the sleeve. That's the waist part of the sleeve, yes. So let me take it to be, let me make use of this inches. This is our 4 inches, that's 8. So here I'll be making use of 5 inches. Here I'll be making use of 6 inches. 6 inches. Then from that 6, then we're now going to connect them together. After the connections like this, then I can now cut it out. So this is how the sleeve is going to look like. You can see this upper part of the sleeve. You can see this is going to be a straight line, then the armhole of the sleeve, then the wideness of the upper part of the sleeve, then to the down part of the sleeve. You can see it now. So I want to divide this area into 2. So this is the let me show you the half cut. I've already joined my half cut. I've joined the 2 shoulders together. I've joined the armhole. I've taken the waist measurement. Then I've joined the 180-degree flay to it. You can see. Then I've taken my darts. You can see my darts. You can see the 4 darts. So this is how it's going to be. So I'll now be showing you the armhole side. So if you want to take the armhole, you have to take some inches. Now when I was taking the length of the sleeve, I took 4 inches up. So this is the 4 inches I took up. So at the armhole, I notch 4 inches from the shoulder down. Then after notching the 4 inches, then I bias it. So let me show you the way I bias it. So here is the neckline. This is the facing we cut to the neckline. Then I'm going to make use of my gum stitch to gum it down. So let me go and add my sleeve to the armhole, then show you the finishes. Welcome back. Here is after attaching the sleeve to the armhole. You can see how beautiful this turns out. This is the neckline, this is the coat sleeve, this is the opening of the sleeve, you can see, and this is the long sleeve. So this is the body. You can see the dart here, and you can also see the 180-degree added to the half cut to make a full dress. If you are watching for the first time, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to my channel for more amazing tutorials. And for those people that have already subscribed, I really appreciate you guys for watching my video. Always see you in my next tutorial. Bye.